Applebee's artichoke and spinach dip is one of your most craved guilty pleasures. You're going to love our Instant Pot copycat recipe for this amazing appetizer. We're not privy to the exact ingredients and amounts that the restaurant uses, but this recipe comes very close to the taste and texture of the sought-after dip. Why spend time and money at a restaurant when you can make your very own artichoke spinach dip in just minutes with your Instant Pot? That's right, minutes. Add your ingredients to the pot, and 5 minutes later, you'll be plunging chips, bread bites, and vegetables into a rich and creamy dip in the comfort of your own home. Dig in and revel in the time and money you save by making your own copycat Applebee's spinach and artichoke dip.